I didn't call for heaven tonight, but heaven came anyway. No thunder, no warning, just a voice standing inside my silence. Why this road? Why this fire I didn't hold? Built my walls with careful hands, mapped my doubt in quiet plans, but something moved I couldn't see. A weight pressed down inside of me. Every step I try to stall, echoes bouncing off it all. I hear the call, I push it back. I know the path, I lose the track between surrender and control. There's a war inside my soul. I'm arguing with angels, standing in the flame. Every word I throw at heaven comes back with my name. Arguing with angels, won't let go the line. If this is what you're asking, meet me in the fire tonight. They don't shout, they never force, they move like gravity in course. No fear inside the words they send, just truth I cannot bend. I said I'm tired, I said I'm weak, said the cost is far too steep, but every doubt I try to raise collapse beneath their gaze. If I resist, I feel the weight. If I release, I change my fate. Between the question and reply, I feel the old self start to die. I'm arguing with angels, wrestling the dawn. Every fear I try defending turns to something gone. Arguing with angels, holding through the night. If blessing lives in breaking, keep me walking toward the light. Don't give me easy answers, don't let me walk away. If I must lose what I